welcome everybody to another episode of Everyday Mechanic. Just thought it'd be nice to say hello to you guys during this lockdown period, and I hope you're all staying safe and doing the right thing. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video on keeping your car active during this lockdown period. If you weren't able to use your car for a long period of time, then I suggest these little things that will help keep your car alive. So first thing is battery. Every week, start your car at least once and run it for a good half an hour to an hour. What you want to do is get the fan of the engine to kick in and kick out, which means the full cycle of the engine, and this will keep your battery alive, keep your car active. And yeah, so because what'll happen is a lot of cars have got alarm systems, immobilizers that stay active whilst you're not in the car. So over time your battery's going to slowly drain down to the point where you get in the car after a couple of months and it ain't going to start. So yeah, if you can keep it active, do it. But if you're self-isolating, then just stay in your house. I wouldn't even go outside if I was you. Just follow the rules, you know. I'm not trying to get anybody out their house by any means. Now, another thing is handbrake. Whenever you can, leave your handbrake off. If you've got an automatic car, put it in park, leave your handbrake off. If you've got a manual car, leave it in gear, handbrake off. This is because a lot of the time, especially with the older cars, you leave your handbrake on for a good month, you'll come back to your car, try and get it and drive off, it ain't going to happen. Your brakes are going to be sea-solid. Then you have to hammer them, do all sorts of trickery to get them to free off. So yeah, put bricks behind the wheels if you have to, chock the wheels, just make the car safe, don't just take your handbrake off. You know, use your common sense. If you've got an older vehicle where you got a key that actually works in the lock, no, remember this, because you're going to lock yourselves out your cars and you'll all be having a right go at me. If you say you want to leave your car and you're not going to be able to use your car for a good 3-6 months even, then I do suggest disconnecting the battery if you can't get out to the car, if you can't get near it. You don't have to, but if you can start it every week, that's better. But if you can't, and you don't want to start it every week, or things stopping you, then go to your car, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery, leave it off. Make sure your key works in the door before you do this, because you can lock yourself out the car, and then you're not going to be happy with me for saying this. But that's the most extreme level. If you don't want to go out and start your car every week, fine. Disconnect the battery if you can. And operate all the electrics, your windows, have a go at your aircon. Just keep the car active, keep things alive. If you can move the car backwards and forwards, do it. Yeah, and I also hope you all stay safe and all doing the right thing. I'm sat in my back garden right now in my Skoda, bored, sun's shining here in Birmingham, England. It's quite a nice day, but nowhere to go, can't even drive. So yeah, keep safe everybody, keep it simple.